Welcome to week 5 of my CMIT 454 CCNA Security. Here we're looking at the version 2 curriculum. Alright, with that said, this week we are focusing on chapters 9 and chapters 10, implementing ASA appliances, and learning about the advanced ASA appliances. The content for this week, we have 3 discussions: ASAs, configuring ACLs. I'll be posting some videos specific to ACLs as well, a little bit later in the week, learning a little bit more about NAT. For our labs, we have 2 chapter labs. I understand we're working in chapters 9 and chapters 10, but for whatever reason, our labs kind of lag behind. So this week we're working in chapter 5 and chapter 6 for our labs. In the chapter 5, we're looking at 5412, configuring iOS IPS using the CLI. And in chapter 6, we're looking at lab 6312, basic layer 2 security. The chapter exams are open, so make sure to be taking the chapter exams. I do allow for multiple attempts, and it takes the last score. So again, make sure to be taking your exams. If you have any questions or concerns, definitely feel free to reach out to me. If you have any concerns with the exams or your grade or your CCNA security paper, reach out to me. I'm going to get those questions answered as quickly as I can. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the discussions.